Understanding flash price drops in shopping. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and exciting topic, especially if you love shopping and deals. We'll unravel the mystery of flash price drops. Whether you're a shopper or a business enthusiast, understanding this concept will definitely add value to your knowledge. A flash price drop refers to a sudden and significant reduction in the price of a product or service for a very short period of time. Retailers or online stores usually implement this strategy to attract customers, boost sales, or clear out stock. The key characteristics of a flash price drop are the limited time offer and the considerably lower price compared to the original. 2.1 Attracting customers. Businesses use flash price drops to grab attention. It creates a buzz, drawing in people who might not have shopped otherwise. 2.2 Inventory management. It's also a strategy for clearing out stock. Retailers might offer a flash price drop to quickly sell seasonal items or products that are about to become outdated. 2.3 Competitive edge. In a market full of competition, offering a flash price drop can give a business the edge, making their offer more enticing than that of competitors. 3.1 Limited time. Remember, these deals are for a limited time. You have to act fast or the deal might slip away. 3.2 Limited quantity. Often, the stock is limited. It's not just about being quick on time, but also quick to purchase before the stock runs out. 3.3 Research is key. Be an informed shopper. Sometimes, what seems like a great deal might not be much of a discount compared to usual prices. Quick research can save you from regret. 4.1 Stay alert. Sign up for newsletters, follow your favorite stores on social media, and download their apps. Notifications can be your best friend. 4.2 Set a budget. It's easy to get carried away. Decide what you're willing to spend beforehand. 4.3 Read the fine print. Understand the return policy and check for any additional costs like shipping fees. We hope this video has shed light on the exciting world of flash price drops. Whether you're a deal hunter or just curious about marketing strategies, recognizing and understanding these quick sales can make you a savvy shopper or a shrewd business person. Happy shopping and smart saving! See you in the next video.